First to set up the account. After set up the account, very important option is called select your billing process. So what are the billing process they are accepting for my Google AdWords account? That is called go to tools option. In the first option is called setup. In this go for billing and payment. Billing and payment. In this first they show this. For that India. We already is a India is my option. So we can't change the country. See this. Once you select the India, you can't change your country. When setup time already we discussed country India, time zone, and billing currency. So currency also will be INR. Next, account will be here. So always account you can keep it on individual. You're not into business. You're into individual. That is not read by the tax information. So see this one. Now your address and how to payment. Payment will be two types: automatic payment and manual. Go to manual. When you come to manual, see this: net banking, money transfer, Google Pay, credit or debit card, link to Paytm wallet. Total 5 payments: net banking, money transfer, Google Pay, credit or debit card. Last one, Paytm wallet. In this 5 we can use for India, but US they're using for credit or debit card. Maximum they can use credit cards or PayPal. Credit or PayPal. So when coming to money transfer, 3 we used by other countries. Maximum they can mostly other countries are using for credit cards. But India they are showing for net banking, money transfer, Google Play. This BHI also will be applicable like Phone Pay or etc. anyone. Credit or debit card and Paytm wallet. So after click for agree and click for submit. So you can set up your account purpose. I'll click for money transfer. Agree, submit. Adding for unregistered individual. No PAN, no TAN. Why? I'm unregistered individual. I don't have any registration. So any account will be set up purpose. Go for always money transfer. Done. This is your account will be set up your billing process. So if you are using for credit or debit card, add the credit or debit card. How we can go for make a payment. Is it clear? This is called set up your billing payment. Total 5 process. Please make it note.